Gannon Mendez left the corporate world to open a food truck.
This is the Saucy Sicilian.
He wanted the best help he could find, so he asked his mom, Priscilla.
She was living in the mountains in Colorado, and I'm like, hey, I need you out in Oklahoma. Let's start a food truck.
He got me out of retirement.
OMG. You went.
Old school Italian, just like my great-grandmother.
If you told somebody to come here, what should they have when they come here?
Nonna's meatballs.
The meatballs are the must-have?
I would agree with that.
Nonna sauce and meatballs.
What are we making?
My mother's homemade meatballs. This is my great-grandmother's recipe, 50-50 pork and beef. We'll mix this together, add some eggs.
Okay.
Can't have enough garlic.
Grandma was right on point with that.
My mother's homemade breadcrumbs, parsley, and the Parmesan cheese.
Okay, you mix these up. Here you go.
Thank you.
Gotta get working, dude. We got a lot to do.
Okay.
Got a line of people. Go, Rock. Go. We're a team.
We're gonna roast them in the oven.
Next step,
We have my great-grandma's marinara sauce. We'll do a little olive oil.
one short rib.
Once it's seared up, then we're gonna just take it out.
Why?
It's the way Grandma Lena would do it. We'll add it back in. Garlic, onions, get it cooked down.
We're not open yet. He's
Nice
making
and soft.
grandma's sauce. Hold on. People are getting all antsy-dancy out there.
Tomato paste, tomato sauce, 2 cans of water in.
Wait a second. When did the bird come into play?
The bird.
The toucan. Thank you, folks. I'll be here all week. Try the meatballs. Short rib
The
goes
short
back
rib
in.
goes back in. Sugar, salt, the red pepper flake, black pepper, 4 bay leaves. Bring that to a boil. Gonna
Okay.
let it simmer, and then we're gonna put the meatballs in it.
Really?
Yes, sir. It cooks for about another 8 hours.
You put it in a double cup. A little parm.
Top it off with a basil leaf.
Look at that. Delicious and tender and moist. Great sauce. A little sprinkle of the Parmesan right at the end. Got fresh basil. Hits that sauce and just blooms. And that's a good amount of garlic. I'm telling you, your grandma taught you right. Great job,
Thank
chef.
you. I appreciate it.